Adamawa State are being called upon to embrace the dry season farming to enable them recover from losses experienced as a result of drought during this year's wet farming season. They're urged to pay attention to warning signs of climate change and other natural forces such as flood, which is responsible for poor harvest experienced by farmers and herders in the rural communities.
Flooding and farmer-herder crisis is a major problem militating against food production in the northeastern states of Adamawa and Taraba. Drought as a result of change in the climate caused by human activities is another problem. Gathered in this hall in Yola are government officials, farmers, herdsmen, and intervention partners. They're here at the behest of Oxfam to review activities of the previous year geared towards improving food nutrition of vulnerable households and communities, and to look at this year's program of how to increase agricultural production. The Adamawa State Coordinator of Oxfam highlights the significance of the interface and how it will improve agricultural production among subsistence farmers.
We have provided like the water pumping machine that is for irrigation for the dry season farming. So we have a lot in the warehouses. So we are calling on the farmers to come and feed these water pumps to go and start the dry season farming. And then we have fertilizers that we specifically reserve in the warehouses for dry season farming.
One of the resource persons gives further insight into the subjects of discussion.
They need to plant crop that are seed that are drought resistant, and then seeds that have short term gestation period. If they are able to do this, it will help them to overcome any effect of drought.
A participant shares her opinion on the program, while the Adamawa State Ministry of Agriculture reveals steps being taken by the government towards reducing losses by farmers.
Our farmers don't have knowledge on how to farm, so that is why we don't produce good farm yield. That we should get access to, we should know, we have full knowledge of how we are going to do our farming. That we should have the knowledge of getting the variety of seed, and also the kind of chemicals to use, and how to cultivate our land.
Also, we are thinking of how, as a ministry, we are going to do price control. We are going to come up with price control to curtail the people deciding how we are going to sell water.
About 200 farmers in Adamawa State are benefiting from this program. Participants, however, promise to put the knowledge acquired into proper use in addition to training other farmers as they return to their communities.